I have let the laundry get way out of control. This is due to not doing laundry for like a day and a half. If I don't do a load of laundry every single day, this is exactly what happens. I'll have like 3 or 4 loads to do in one day. So this morning I decided I am going to get laundry done 100% so that I can start Monday off fresh. Yesterday, the dog vomited on the rug at the back door, so I tried to wash it. These rugs are terrible to be washed, but I don't want to buy another one, so I tried washing it again for like the 5th time because this happens way too many times. At least he tries to go outside, but anyways, I put it in the dryer. I should have put it outside to let it air dry, but it was just so much faster. Anyways, this is a result of that. I think I've said this before, but I do not fold the kids' clothes. I just put them in their specific buckets, be it shirts, pants, socks, underwear, those types of things. Everything gets sorted into its specific bucket, and it makes it go so much faster, and it's easy. If I have to hang shirts up, which I do hang their nicer things and like their sweatshirts, sweaters up, I will hang those up, obviously. This has been game changer. I'm not folding laundry anymore. I bring it up from the dryer, sort it into their piles, and then it either goes to my older kids' bedrooms and they'll put it away themselves. With the younger ones, I just sort it. It's quick, easy, and gets the job done.